Alright, these are going to be the other elevators here at IKEA in Centennial, Colorado. Oh, are they modding these ones? Oh, we might not be getting on these ones. Oh. Well, the button lit up. Guess we'll see. There's a new button down there. Very slow doors. So you coming up? Come on then. Yeah, of course. I'm just doing a blog on elevators. I won't catch you guys in.
Okay.
You guys have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
There's the store. Get our cabbie on the way down. These things are huge, just like the other ones. Judging by that call button, these things might be getting modded. Jesus. But, okay. That was lovely. Alright, I need to get into the store, so we'll end upstairs. I want to look at a new desk. Let's hear the motor. Stopping at P1. Going up?
Yeah.
Come on in.
Thanks.
Of course.
Your ones.
Just like if you ever need anything at REI. I know mine can go crazy.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
It says TKE, so they might be the ones modding these. But as if they are getting modded. Alright, well. There goes a pan.